Across tribal belts of India, a unique forest delicacy is making headlines. Once hidden in the forests and known only to tribal communities, now making headlines as a delicacy, a healing agent, and a cultural icon. Meet the red weaver ant, Kurkut. High in the forest canopy, this is no ordinary nest. Stitched between branches and leaves hangs a marvel of instinct and engineering. This is the nest of the red weaver ant. With their jaws, they pull fresh leaves together and use sleek spun from their own larvae. They sew the edges short like living thread. Leaf by leaf, stitch by stitch, they build a stronghold that protects what matters most to the tribal communities who have lived with the forest for the generations. These tiny white eggs are more than survival food. They are tradition, medicine, and memory. They are kurkut. In tribal life, kurkut is more than just a delicacy. It is passed down from elder to child, not through recipes but through experience. It is a remedy for fever, a warm food in the rains, and the taste of courage for the young. For some, it's a taste of home. For others, it's a first lesson in foraging. Within these ant eggs live stories of survival, of bonding with the forest, of generations who trusted nature more than medicine. Kurkut is a symbol of the knowledge that lives outside textbooks, rooted deep in the soil and deeper in memory. Once harvested kurkut, the ant eggs and ants are cleaned and prepared with care. The traditional chutney is simple but fiery. It starts with garlic, salt, and fresh chilies, crushed by hand with the red ants and their eggs. The mix releases a sharp, tangy aroma, alive with natural heat. Some prefer to roast it on fire, making it smoky and bold. Others eat it raw for the full sting. Either way, kurkut chutney is not for the faint-hearted. It bites back. But to those who have grown up with it, it tastes like health, home, and heritage. In every bite of kurkut, there is more than just taste. There is memory, resilience, and an unbroken bond with the forest. What began as food for survival now carries the weight of identity. It reminds us that some of the most powerful traditions are born far from cities, passed down not through books, but through hands, fire, and instinct. As kurkut finds its place on modern menus, may we never forget where it came from and the people who kept it alive. Because in celebrating kurkut, we honor not just a delicacy, but a way of life.